we grew 50% in 2016. And then we grew another 50% in 2017. And we grew another 50% in 2018. And we grew, like, you see a trend here.
Oh man, that was everybody.
Money's going to take care of itself. If we're being a good team, and if our salesmen are doing their job, we're doing our job, I'm doing my job, then the money's going to take care of itself. Let's get better today 1%. And so he got better 1% every day. I'm catching up. I'm trying to get better 1% every month. And he's getting better 1% every day. And all of a sudden we're doubling our gross. And we're running out of work because the guys can't sell it fast enough. And I'm just sitting here going, oh my goodness, we got to have more sales guys.